Hello children, today we will learn how to create folder and file. For creating a folder you need to go to the desktop. Like this is my desktop. I will right click of my mouse on the desktop. The moment I'll right click I will get this menu. From this menu you select new button. The moment you will select new button you again get a menu. From here you select folder. The moment I'll select folder, this up icon with this part will appear, right? Now you write the name of the folder, any name which you want to give to your folder. For example, army, like this. Okay. Now if you want to, I told you in the beginning in the previous session that a folder within a folder is called a subfolder. So I need to create one more folder inside this folder. So what I need to do, you have to open this folder. Double click the folder. See, this is the army folder. Within this folder you can create a new folder like this, and you can give any name like India. So this is a folder within the folder. If you open this, double click it, it will see this is the main folder. Within this folder there is a folder called India, and again if you create a folder excuse me, you can give a name Lucknow, right? If you click this, so how many there is a folder army, right? In the army there is a folder called India, and within the India there is a folder called Lucknow. So these are the three folders we have just created, right? Now how will you create a file? The same methodology you will apply. Right click on the desktop. The moment you will right click you will get a menu. Click on the new button, and here the moment you will click on the new button you will get one menu. From the menu you select the files. See, this is a folder, the yellow button, but all these are the files. I choose MS Word. This is the file. I can name this army, right? Now how to move any file or a folder? Like this is a file, you just drag and drop. You press the mouse and you drag it to the folder. Now in the folder army there is a file called army. I have just created that. So what I have told you, how to create a folder and how to create a file. Now you have learned also how to move a file. Now I am going to tell you how to delete a file, right? So this is a folder, this is a file, right? You can press the delete key. If you want to move it, delete it, you can just click the file, the background color will get changed, and you press the delete button from your mouse, it will get deleted. Otherwise, see here it is written delete. You can click this also to delete, right? Like this, I have deleted. Okay. Now one more thing children, there is a this thing, this recycle bin. You can delete anything by dragging files and folder in this recycle bin. For example, this is lesson 4. I'll drag this to the recycle bin and this will get deleted. This army, I will bring it here in the recycle bin, it will get deleted. Now the army, I finally think no, this is by mistake I have deleted. I want to restore this. So what I'll do, I'll go to the recycle bin and I'll look for my file, that is army. I'll type in the search bar. The moment I'll type army, the items related to army will computer will show us, right? So from there I will click on this, right click, and see I'll get these options. From the these four options, I'll choose the first one, restore, and my item will get restored on the desktop. This way I can bring back my deleted item on the desktop, right? So you have learned how to move. Now I want to move this to here, right? So my file is moved. This way I can shift the position. It has gone in the folder. Now see how many things I have shifted to that folder: APS, NR, lesson 4, these many things. Okay, so that is all about today's lesson, children. The chapter is over. Now we'll do the exercise.